it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to Wolf Ridge Woodworking. So we don't have a project today, but I wanted to take the time to give a special announcement that I am launching on my website a way for you to upload a picture of a project you've recently done. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel that you want to highlight a project that you've made on that. Anyway, so following this, I'm going to walk you through how you can upload and give me some information about that. And again, I'm super excited about this because you always get to see what I make, and I see your comments and you give some great suggestions, but I'm really curious to see kind of what you're doing. So that's what this announcement is, and stay tuned for how do you upload your stuff so that I can highlight it. So this is just a basic form, name and email address, but for project name, give us something that's, really sets your project apart. For the description, let us know, what type of joinery you use, what's some of your inspirations, some of the techniques. Be very descriptive, help us, showcase your project. Here, if you're just going to say it's a YouTube video, just select video and put a YouTube URL. You don't need to do both. However, for a photo that you're submitting, give us 3 or 4 different pictures from different angles and really help showcase your project. You can upload multiple, and as you can see here, it'll go, that little bar go across the screen, and it'll turn to green for each file that was uploaded successfully. And then just, say you're not a robot and hit submit. And so that's all it is to submitting your project. And once I have your project, I'll review it. I may contact you to get some more information, and then I'll post it up on the website for everybody to see. I just also wanted to let you know that I do have a P.O Box now. I've updated it on the YouTube channel. It's on my website. So if you've got stickers or anything else that you would like to send, please go ahead and send that along. And so thank you so much, and I hope that you're as excited about this as I am, and have a blessed day.